Hello, my name is Jacob Stidham, and I'm here to talk to you about XYZ Virtual High School. So, as part of the XYZ district, virtual schools have been around for multiple decades. And since the pandemic, it really has increased in usage. So, as part of this growing trend, the district has decided to make their own virtual school. So the mission statement is to ensure a center of learning and inquiry where every student feels that they can not only succeed, but also belong. So this is essentially the same as a brick and mortar school, except it is totally online. It's a 4-year virtual high school experience, synchronous style of learning, it's completely supported by the district, with county, state, and national standards, and is accredited by multiple national agencies and organizations. So it runs on a synchronous class schedule. In other words, it's very similar to brick and mortar, where students have to be online at a certain time. They have classes. They get face-to-face time with teachers. The only difference is it's 100% fully online. So they can use Google Meet and Google Suite to collaborate and to attend class. We use Canvas as the learning management system, and this allows for multiple forms of communication and interaction. All materials and resources are also completely free and online. Parents also have access to grades and courses and other parts of the school students have, and there's also student services such as counseling. So essentially the same as a brick and mortar school. The personnel is fully certified and experienced teaching staff. There's also counselors and other student service staff, as well as a full administrative team, just like you'd find in any other school. And it's perfect for all students. We follow all state regulations, including 504s and IEP. We use software for ESOL students. Equipment is provided for low-income families, and there's a modified schedule and classes for students with health concerns. So overall, this is a virtual classroom school that we are going to be implementing within this district. If you have any questions or are interested in enrolling your child, you can email the Dean of Students or visit either the school or school district website. Thank you very much.